finally, he sleeps here, back in with another GearHeads video. Today, we are going to be swapping out the side mirror on my Honda Civic Daily. Pretty simple. If you get into a situation where you may have run into a sign or something, whatever happens, and you need to swap this mirror out, it's pretty simple. We'll go through all the steps. So here's the aftermarket mirror that we picked up. What you'll first want to do is paint the parts of the plastic that color match your car before you do it. But we have some body work that we're going to fix, and we'll paint all this plastic at the same time we redo the door. So for us, we're going to put it on white, and we'll worry about it later. But if you're doing only the mirror, the best time to paint this is first. Just get the color match paint, clear coat that you would for your car, and paint. Now for ours, you can tell the bottom is black. So we'll do matte black for this, and then we'll do the Honda silver for the top part of the mirror so that it matches the other side. The first step is going to be to remove the door panel so that we can gain access. And you're going to need a small flathead screwdriver and a pry tool for getting the panels off. There is a screw behind this, so we'll just use a flathead screwdriver to pop this out. And there's the Phillips there. And then there is a tab here in the back that we're going to pull free. And the next step is remove your wiring harness. There's just a little clip here. We'll use the flathead to unclip it. So now we have access to that Phillips head and that Phillips head. We're going to go ahead and pull those out first. Next step, we're going to use the same pry tool to come along and pop the buttons off the side and all on the bottom. And now that all of the buttons are popped, we'll lift it forward, and it should just come up off of the car. There it is. Now that the door's removed, you'll see this is your vapor barrier and sound deadening materials. We're going to have to peel this back to gain access to the bolts there for the mirror on the inside. There's some access area here. Now, this urethane that comes through here is crazy sticky and messy. If you get it on your clothes, if you get it on anything, it is going to ruin whatever you touch. So make sure whatever you pull back and get out of the way, you don't touch any of the black. Okay, so there it is. The vapor shield is pulled back. Next step before we remove the mirror is we're going to disconnect the electrical. There's like a press button here. And then we need to get this off. You can use a set of pliers or your flathead to release the button. There's like little ears on either side. There. And if you look in here, you can see there's one, there's the other, and then on this side, there are the bolts that we are going to be removing, and I believe they are probably 10 mil, and we're going to use a magnet to make sure they don't drop down in there. So I've got the socket. I'll show you what it looks like so we can see that we're in here on it. And then I am also going to have a magnet here on the side to make sure we hold the nut. We don't want to drop it down into the window when we go to pull it out. So there, it's connected. That way we don't lose the nut. So we have all three bolts. The nuts are off the bolts, and they are free there. There is still a clip. So this is the clip. It is just rubber, and we just have to pull it down, and then the mirror will pop off to release the mirror. Before you install the new mirror, we're going to go ahead and clean the old mirror spot on the outside of the door off with some window cleaner, just to make sure we don't have any issue or debris there before the new one gets put on. To put the new mirror on, it's basically everything in reverse. We're going to feed the wiring into the hole, make sure it clips in and stays. We'll go ahead and insert the wiring for the mirror, and then I'm going to suggest that you go ahead and, because you don't have the clip here, to go ahead and zip tie this through to hold it in place there like the other one was. That way it doesn't get hung up on your window at any point, so just go ahead and zip tie it in there. Another trick you can do is to use some of the vapor barrier on the bolt. That way it gets super sticky when you put it into your socket. That way it'll hold in place while you screw it on. So there it is inside, and it is not going to come out. And then I can just slip that on there, and once it starts to thread, it's not so sticky that it won't pull out. And that way, if you ever go to replace the mirror, you've got it there as well. I have all of them on there. You don't want to over tighten them because it is a plastic mirror. So just hand tighten, and that's good enough. So the big screw goes here. And the smaller screw goes up here in the door. Installed, we just have the lower cover to put on, but we'll wait until it's paint matched, and then when I go to paint match the door, we'll pop the plastic off and do it there. So that's it. Quick, easy. I'm finally he sleeps. As long as this information helped, make sure you subscribe here on the channel. As long as you keep watching, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams, in a world of games it seems.